Hey guys, Lambeth Asphalt. We're back at it here in Greensboro, North Carolina. We are at Friendly West, and this apartment complex is a retirement community. They gave us a call, having a lot of issues with the subgrade, just broken up asphalt. What we decided to do was come in here and mill this thing out. We've got a good 1.5 inch mill across it. Well, as you can see, we're paving driveways back here. We're gonna do all the driveways today, get them done today, and then tomorrow it's gonna be Mainline. If you take a look at the Mainline, you'll know that there's a lot of valley in it. It's an inverted valley. So what we're gonna do is we milled it out. We're gonna put it back and make sure that water runs away from the apartments. As you see, if you look close at the garages, a lot of the garages, the way they did things 30 years ago just ain't the way it is today. So we had to restructure a few things, get the grade down, and make it to where water would fall away from the garages. We finally finished the driveways up on day one. We're concentrating mainly today, getting all the mainline paving done. This whole job is basically an invert on the way the drains are set up. If you take a look at it behind me, you can see that the road is basically inverted. So basically on the outsides we're thicker, inside we're thinner. These guys are paving. You can see it right here on the main line. They're doing a great job. A few more aspects that we had to work with. It's a very tight area. Got 18 feet, which means 2 9-foot pools. We're definitely focused on trying to get the water away from the condos. It's about 87, 88 degrees today. My team has done really well. They're young, they got big hearts, and they're willing to learn. That's what you need in the asphalt industry. But these guys take a step back every time they set a truck down and just overlook everything that's going on. They make sure they catch all the water valves, the manholes, the risers, even down to the water drains. It's very important that we get this stuff. If you leave it covered up, guess what? You're coming back to take it up and do it again. So my team has really stepped up and went above and beyond. I'm super proud of them. They got a long future ahead of them, especially here at Lambeth Asphalt. If you got any issues, questions, comments, concerns, give us a call. 932-4392 or email us at lambethasphaltservices.com.